Hi. I'm going to talk about Diabetes for Dummies Best Advice. Diabetes for Dummies Best Advice. It can sometimes think that managing your diabetes requires constant work, but you need time to learn more about treating the disease. This post is loaded with fresh ideas and insight for finding out how to manage this ailment. Diabetics could have lots of troubles with their feet than non-diabetics. Following these guidelines will assist. Be sure you deal with your toes healthy even if you might have diabetes. Low glycemic index numbers work most effectively for people with diabetes. There is not any shortage of foods with many different protein, including lean meats, tofu, and vegan options like tofu. Try and mix it to make the mouth area adjusted. Chocolate does contain sugar. Along with sugar, fat is digested very slowly with the body, and so the chocolate won't have the capacity to treat low blood sugar levels in a timely manner. Unless you're told otherwise by your doctor, you need to take your fast-acting insulin at most quarter hour before eating. Most of these insulin will help you to maintain blood sugar levels, but only when taken on the right time and then in the right dose. Don't worry if your high blood glucose rises right after a form of low glucose reaction. When you find yourself traveling, keep the insulin with you at all times. Never pack your insulin kit together with your bags, which can be checked. They may be put through extreme temperatures or exposed to dangerous temperatures. While consuming alcohol can lower the probability of getting diabetes, research already signifies that those already suffering together with the disease should avoid alcoholic drinks because of the effects they already have on blood glucose. Cinnamon also accentuates the sweetness of some foods without elevating blood sugar levels. Research shows different results with regards to regardless of whether cinnamon is used.